guys, I just wanted to show you my KDK E14ZK spray painted silver. It looks really nice and I'm really terrible at spray painting. So I'm really sad that this is here. And sorry about the label. I couldn't get that to stay. So that's gone, even though last time I gave it a new set of paint, but that didn't really work so well because it just got worn out and old. See, I left the top of the blaze. It just looks like really weird. It looks still nice. I'll show you what's under here. Ugh. Anyway, I don't think I can do that. Here's the top. I just left that. And this screw is here because there's a hole, and I figured out why it's there. It's to hold this up. It looks like the screw is missing. And let me see if I can finally get this up for you guys. Okay, I got it. Here's what's under it. You can see everything. Oh, that was cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry this was so short, and bye.